YouTube? Welcome to the C&E family. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and turn on your post notifications
so you catch the next video.
Anyways, today we are making chicken broccoli Alfredo bake, and here are the ingredients you will need. Okay, so here's all the ingredients you're gonna need. You're gonna need Tony's Creole seasoning, which is my favorite, black pepper, Goya all-purpose seasoning, parsley flakes, minced garlic, garlic powder, 2 jars of classic Alfredo sauce, which you can make your own Alfredo sauce, but I prefer to use a jar, chicken broth, penne pasta, Parmesan cheese, Italian style cheese, and broccoli cuts. Oh, and Italian style chicken breast, but you can use regular chicken breast. It doesn't matter. Okay, so here's the chicken. It smells so good. All that fat. Okay, so now we are going to boil the water for the penne pasta. Put a little bit of oil in your pan so it doesn't stick.
Once again, don't talk about my pan.
I always cook, so.
Yeah.
It's not that much water because it's just me and Elijah, so. Put that on high so it can boil fast. Now I'm gonna salt the water. Just enough. This is the only salt that's in this whole thing. Okay, so now we are going to we're gonna cut up some butter and put in this pan. I use Creole Alfredo. I don't make my own Alfredo because I don't know, I just don't. But you have to like spice it up a little bit. You can't just use it straight out the jar. So I add some butter to the pan. Turn it on like medium low. Come on, put it back. Let that melt in the pan. This is the same pan that we cooked. This is the same pan that we cooked the chicken in. I got a horrible cameraman. This is the same pan that we cooked the chicken in. Use the same pan so it can get flavor. Let the butter melt for a little bit. Once the butter is completely melted, oh yeah, preheat the oven to 375 degrees. I already did that. It's 375, right? Yeah. Okay. Once the butter is completely melted, we are going to put garlic.
It's on 475.
No, it's not. What are you talking about? Once the butter is completely melted, we are going to put the garlic in. It's taking a while. The butter is a little dark from the pan that we cooked the chicken in, but it's going to taste really good. Okay, now we're going to add the garlic. I just use like a forkful. No, it doesn't really matter. Maybe just a little bit more. I like garlic. Okay. I'm gonna keep stirring this. I don't want the garlic to burn. Because once it's burned, you can taste it. Okay, leave that for a little bit. Okay, the water is boiled. So let's add the pasta. That might be enough for just me and him, but I'm gonna add. We need more?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Okay, I'll stir that in a second. Okay, so here's the garlic. Perfect. Now we're gonna add the Alfredo. I might not use both of the whole things because again, it's just me and him. I'm only gonna use half for this one. That should be enough. That's probably more than enough. I'm gonna stir this all together. Turn it down a little bit. Now you want to cook this on low because you don't want it to burn. See how that brown color went away? Smells good though. Now this here is Tony's. This is the key ingredient to the whole thing. It's like salt. It's super salty, so you don't need enough. You can taste it. So the camera went out, but I added a little bit of Parmesan. Parmesan is just for flavor. And then we're gonna simmer this on low until the noodles are done. Okay, so now we are going to boil the broccoli. You don't have to boil it for that long because I left it sitting out, so it's kind of different. But
hold on, show that bag real quick. Who eats broccoli cuts? Don't you use regular broccoli? Who eats broccoli cuts? Like,
broccoli cuts are good for pasta, but when we're eating broccoli like by itself, I get the broccoli for florette.
Man, comment down below if you eat broccoli cuts or regular broccoli. Go ahead.
I'm gonna put a lot. I'm gonna put just the rest of this bag. Okay. Where that piece of broccoli just go? Find it. Did I drop it on the floor? I don't see it. Okay. Wait, we have to find it though. Oh, here we go. Okay, so we're gonna add some water. That's enough. And now we're gonna boil this back here on medium heat. Stirring these up. Okay, now I'm gonna clean up and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back. Elijah deleted basically the whole video, so we're gonna have to start all over. And well, not the whole video, just the part where I like browned the chicken and put the chicken in the crock pot. But the broccoli is done and the noodles are done. I just poured the sauce over the broccoli and the noodles. I'm not gonna stir it up yet. So now I took the chicken out of the crock pot and now I'm just shredding it up. I shredded it up with 2 forks. It's shredding up really easy because you cooked it for a long time in the crock pot. And it smells so good. Elijah like big pieces, so I don't like shred it up completely. But yeah, though.
Stop saying my government.
Look, but basically tomorrow I'm gonna have to get some more chicken. I'm going to have to brown it on both sides, put it in the crock pot, and pour chicken stock over it. And then we'll continue from there.
That's all. They're like, you lost the whole video.
This is basically the whole video. Don't everybody want to go back and do this again? It smells so good. I only get the marinated chicken to make like pastas because Elijah doesn't like how the marinated chicken tastes when I bake it or grill it. I don't know why, but it's hard cooking for him.
Man, call me Eli.
I'm not calling you no damn Eli. I mean, I ain't calling you Eli. My mama watching this, so I don't want to cuss. That should be good. Little piece of skin. Take that up. Who's that?
No.
Okay. Now we are going to take this over here. And we're just going to pour it. I shred some of my finger too, just a little bit. This is fat. Take the fat out. Okay. Pour that over. None of that. I'm done with you for tonight. Now we're just gonna stir all this together. See me, when I make like any type of pasta thing, I don't like a lot of sauce. He hate that, but I just don't like a lot of sauce dripping down my face. I don't like that. This is just the right amount. Just make sure the chicken is all throughout. Okay, so the chicken is all stirred together. Now we are going to put it in a buttered baking dish. This is just a regular baking dish.
She buttered it already because she was gonna quit the video.
I was gonna quit the whole thing. I said delete it all, F it all, just delete it. But pour it into the dish. Dang. Okay. All right, so get all that chicken off there. I'm just gonna press it down a little bit. Get it into the corners. Don't look at that. Now I'm gonna get the cheese. This is the Italian style cheese. And parsley flakes. That's all you need for the top. So now, a generous amount, because we like our stuff cheesy. A generous amount of, but first, scratch that. I'm gonna put this on there first. And I want some more on top. It doesn't have a taste, but whatever. Now, a generous amount of cheese on the top.
Gotta let them know cheese
What
you
is
got.
that? Clearly, this video is not professional because, anyway, a generous amount of cheese on the top. I like a lot of cheese, and he does too. That should be good. Now, I'm gonna put a little more. I'm gonna put a little more of the parsley flakes on the top. Oh my goodness.
No.
This is a horrible video. This is horrible. This is horrible. Guys, this is horrible. And I'm keeping all of this in there. Jesus. I was just trying to turn on the oven light. That's all I was trying to do. I'm really stressed out. Elijah made me really mad. Now, I'm going to put this into a 375 degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes until the cheese is melted.
Do your thumbnail.
Bye.
Not yet. Not yet. Not yet.
This
Go ahead, man.
open up thumbnail. Good. Okay, so basically, since the whole video got deleted, I'm not gonna go back out and get more chicken to put in the crock pot. So, this is what I did. I seasoned up the chicken. Did it show that we seasoned up the chicken?
It just showed the seasonings
Okay,
and
so
the chicken.
okay, so I used the seasonings. It was Creole seasoning, Adobo seasoning, and black pepper and garlic powder. I seasoned up the chicken on both sides, and then I browned it on both sides on the stove. I browned it on both sides, like with the butter and oil, and then I just came over here, put it in the crock pot. The broth is still there. I put it in the crock pot with chicken broth, and I let it cook for 2 hours, a whole 2 hours, and then it carries on from there. So now I'm gonna put these breadsticks in the oven, and then we'll be back. Okay, so now I'm gonna take it out the oven. And the breadsticks, oh God, oh God. Perfect. Okay, close up. It looks so good. Yum. So now we can turn the oven off. Now I am going to plate it.
Don't you gotta do your thumbnail before you plate it, or you wanna?
I don't know if I really wanna put a thumbnail like with me holding it. What you think?
Yeah, I think
You
you
think
should.
so?
Ain't that what they do?
I don't know. It might not be cute. Oh wait, I gotta have my Dunkin' Donuts. Okay. What should I do? It's hot.
Now remember, you gotta do that. All right. Do it one more, like you shot. All right.
This whole video is like this. Okay. So now I'm gonna plate it. Oh, don't wanna drop that again. That thing no never drop. fat. He need a lot. The breadsticks.
Now show them how much Parmesan cheese you put on yours.
Now this is the finished. They look good. Somebody should taste it. Who is gonna be? Let me get the camera. You wanna taste it? Here, get it for it.
My goal for it. I'm tasting it out the pan. Look.
No, it's hot. Blow it before you eat it. Okay, the camera died. We had to start over again, but this whole thing is hectic. This whole thing hectic. But I'm about to taste it. It's super hot. Shit. It tastes good. But as always, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and turn on your post notifications to see the next video.